When is Spotify Wrapped 2025? Now that's what I'm going to explain to you guys in this video. Spotify never ever officially lets people know what the release date actually is. But I have done some research, and last year I also successfully predicted the release date. So I'm going to explain to you guys what the release date for this year's Spotify Wrapped 2025 will be. Now, I'm here in my notes and I've put the release date of the last 6 or 7 years here in a row, where you can see all of the dates as well as the days. Now, the last 4 years, it has always been on a Wednesday. As you can see, it's only been 1 Tuesday, 4 Wednesdays, and 2 Thursdays. So last year was December 4th on a Wednesday. Now, my prediction will be December 3rd, which is also on a Wednesday. If we quickly go to our calendar, we can see that December 3rd is on a Wednesday. Now, from December 4th last year to December 3rd this year will also be exactly 365 days, which means that not only is it exactly a year, it will also be on a Wednesday, which seems to be the case for the last 4 years. So I would be surprised if it is on another day. But yeah, so I'm predicting December 3rd. If that isn't the case, then you should just look out for December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Those will definitely be the days, but I think it will be December 3rd. So just be on the lookout from December 2nd till the 4th. Those will definitely be the days. That is my prediction of when is Spotify Wrapped 2025.